This property is inspired by the Beverly Hills layout and it is now out for sale. Today we are here in Maluang Cupang, Balanga City, Bataan, just 3 minutes away from Bataan Naman Highway, 5 minutes to Vista Mall, Bataan, and I am so excited to show you this massive property that comes with its own private resort. And now here inside, you will find 5 bathrooms, 5 bedrooms, 2 living areas, and 2 dining areas. But let me show you the kitchen area first. As you can see here, you have your guest dining area, your kitchen, a very wide kitchen, full with built-in cabinets, a glass sliding window covered with metal railings. And let me show you that they have this pull-out tray, a built-in pull-out tray. Now facing here, you have your kitchen sink divided into 3 portions and your induction stove with an exhaust. Now you have your door to your pantry. Now moving to the other side, the living area, let me show you that they have this modern ceiling, a 10-seater movable sofa set, a smart TV, split-type aircon, a glass sliding window covered with metal railings as well, where you can see the view of your garden, and they have a study table as well. And what's more is that they have a built-in mini bar, perfect for your late-night tambays or your wine sessions. And now that we're done with the kitchen and living area, let's move in to what's upstairs. So this is the stairs. It is a double spiral stairs. And when you go upstairs, you will see this classy, elegant sofa set. So this sofa set is imported from US, and just at the back, you will see that they have this door, your passageway to your balcony. So this balcony faces your very own private resort. And the view from here, even the photos can justify how beautiful it is to be here. So this set is also included in the price. And now let's move in. Okay. Just here you will see that they have another comfort room. Just a few steps from here, you will have another access to your another set of master's bedroom. So this comes with this walk-in closet and a comfort room. This bathroom comes with a glass enclosure shower, and just right here you will see that they have a split-type aircon, a smart TV here, and this wooden elegant bed frame. And you will also see that they have a sofa here where you can just enjoy the view of your window. So from this room, they have this own balcony facing the shrine of Mount Samat Cross and Vista Mall, Bataan. You can also see your driveway here. Now we are heading to the next room. This is a kid's bedroom, and you will see that they have this vanity mirror, this bed full with stuffed toys and a wooden cabinets. From the kids' bedroom, you have a passage door to the last room, which is the master's bedroom. And upon entering, you will see na ibang-iba yung vibes niya from the previous room, and they have this earthy tone. As you can see, they have a modern ceiling as well, a split-type aircon, a smart TV, and this vintage chair. Meron din silang lounge chair na pwede mong tambayan if you have a visitor here. And just a few steps from here is yung bathroom. So, in master's bathroom, separated doors siya for toilet seat and for the shower room. So, itong shower room is meron siyang heater and lavatory as well. So now heading back, on this side is the walk-in closet, but we're not gonna open any of this just for the sake of respecting their privacy. And what I truly love about this master's bedroom is the view that awaits you outside. And makikita nyo, dalawang doors na siya. The view from this balcony is facing the shrine of Mount Samat Cross, but unfortunately, hindi nyo makikita or ma-appreciate yung view dito kasi mataas na yung puno, yung tubo ng puno dito. But still very relaxing, peaceful dahil wala kang neighbor, and on that side, makikita nyo yung view from Vista Mall Bataan. May installed solar panel din, and dito na ako dadaan sa kabilang pinto para naman ma-appreciate natin. This master's bedroom has a 5-door access, kaya kahit saan pwede kang lumusot. And ngayon dadaan na tayo pabalik sa second living area nila. And makikita nyo dito yung abstract painting ni Ding Manalo. He's a local artist. And now, facing there, makikita nyo naman yung chandelier. It is a crystal chandelier na pa-spiral and napaka-classy and elegant niya. Now heading back to the first floor, the first thing you will see here is this large frame of artwork and this tall flower vase. Ang ganda lang kasi centralized talaga siya with the design of the tiles. And here we have this long 10-seater wooden dining table, very Filipino inspired. And it is topped with thick glass as well. And this wooden cabinet with a glass of wine glass and plates. And on the side, we have this room with built-in cabinets and a bathroom. Now, we're going outside. Palabas na tayo dito sa bahay. And makikita nyo itong working area or itong mini gym. And here at the side is the storage area. And lastly is this comfort room for your guests. Now moving outside, you will see your terrace and a garden with a playground. So this is a 2-story house sitting a total lot area of 2,292 square meter with a floor area of almost 500 square meter. And here you have your driveway and a garage that can fit up to 8 cars. Now we are here at the resort, the highlight of this tour. This has a 300 square meter floor area, a function room, a guest room, a lobby, and a kitchen. This is the guest room. It can accommodate up to 15 packs for the 3 double-decker bed. It has a separate room for the toilet seat and a shower room. Now from the guest room, you have an access to a wide kitchen with an oven and a gas stove. And you can see that we have also a kitchen sink. Now on this side, we have a door that connects you to a storage area. So now from the storage room, you have another access to the function hall. So this function hall is around 300 square meter. It has a 3 split type air cons and a wooden panel at the front. So side by side, it has a glass sliding type of window, but it is covered with a curtain. So it looks like this. And look at the style or the design of your ceiling. It is modern and painted. Now moving to the side of this function hall, which can serve as your waiting area. It is now a salon, but you can arrange this later or whenever you like. So this is perfect for your business place or anything you want it to be. Now from this side, you can see this flowery ceiling and this room. This room is spacious enough with a cabinet and a CR on it. Now outside, there's also a separate rooms, a 2 toilet room for men and women. Now this function hall connects you to this wide, beautiful garden. On this side, it can cater up to 10 cars, and you have a tambayan in there, and the 2 separate rooms, comfort rooms for men and women. So this connects you to the garden showers. They have 7 garden showers in here. So this is the garden shower. A storage room and a pool for adults and for kids. And what I love about this is it changes its colors at night. But hindi nyo siya makikita ngayon since wala rin siyang tubig and hindi pa naman gabi. We are done with the entire tour. For more inquiries, you may send us a message on our Facebook page at Hybrid Realty Corporation. See you on our next tour mga ka-hybrid. Bye!